As you can see, an Apple Watch gets dirty very easily. Fingerprints, dust, and sweat build up over time. But today, I'll show you how to make your Apple Watch look brand new again. If you use your watch during workouts, sweat and dirt can get stuck around the sensors and frame. This tutorial follows the official cleaning recommendations from Apple support. So stay with me till the end for important tips and mistakes you must avoid. Before you start, Step 1. Turn off your Apple Watch completely. Next, remove both watch bands from the device. Make sure your Apple Watch is not connected to the charger. Do not use chemicals, sprays, or cleaning liquids. They can damage the watch. Apple recommends using only fresh, clean water. 2. Cleaning the watch body. Start by taking a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth. Slightly dampen the cloth and gently clean the screen and edges. For Apple Watch Series 2 and later, you can rinse it lightly under running water. Don't forget to clean the back sensors. It helps maintain accurate readings. Never use soap, detergents, or abrasive materials. 3. Cleaning the digital crown. If your digital crown feels sticky or hard to rotate, don't worry. Hold the crown under warm running water for about 10 to 15 seconds. Rotate the crown continuously to loosen trapped dirt or sweat. Then dry it completely with a soft cloth. After cleaning, the crown becomes smooth and responsive again. 4. Cleaning the watch bands. For sport and Nike bands, use mild soap with water. Let them air dry once cleaned. Leather bands need special care. They should not be exposed to water. Use a dry cloth only for cleaning leather. For metal bands, use a slightly damp cloth to remove dirt. Keep leather bands away from moisture. Dry metal bands immediately to avoid water spots. Here's a clear before and after comparison after cleaning the bands. 5. Drying process. Place everything on a soft towel and let it dry naturally. Make sure no moisture is left around the sensors, frame, or speakers. Give it enough time. Proper drying is important. 6. Final assembly. Once everything is fully dry, reattach your band. Turn it back on, your Apple Watch is clean and ready to use.
Extra tips.
If you work out regularly, clean your watch at least once a week. And if your watch is exposed to salt water, rinse it with fresh water immediately. And that's how you clean your Apple Watch properly and safely.